Hello everyone, my name is Rosandra and today I will show you one of my projects which was a Tic Tac Toe uh, which was made by using React and I wondered that firstly I when I build this project so I usually wonder that which kind of uh, language used in to build this game. Like this is a very simple game, which was very knowledge development game. Like when I developed this game, so I knew the actual logic which was performed in the backend part, like what kind of what kind of logic was implemented in this game and what the part of uh, actual part of code which was implemented in this game and what kind of part of UI is shows to us and all these stuffs was new when I developed this project. So this project was very uh, helpful to me because uh, there is also very great development project. So let's see the actual code or actual logic of this game and actual work of this project here. And let's see. First of all, we say UI part of the game is this is a very simple and user friendly game, and I make this game very user friendly in also on the desktop and also on a mobile section. As you can see, there is a nine box with a container, and I used to implement a code effect. And as we will already know that there is one circle and one cross inside this net. So firstly, a user come and play this game. So firstly, first user uh, mark as a row and after second user mark as a circle. There is those two starting of this game and after that first, second and there is also as you can see the three same logo or a sign of circle or a cross which which is your actual winning the game and after that after winning this game, the game automatically reset everything from the starting, like whatever game main completed, so it will be automatically restart the actual game. So user does not do it manually. So let's see the what kind of actual logic which I was written in my coding part to uh, actual build the entire game development and all the logic. So let's see. So this is the JSX page of the game, and which was also this is the actual tic-tac-toe JSX game, as we can see in my desktop. So this is the actual logic I use that in use ref for manage this logic state and uh, I used PNG for that circle and throws. Uh, and after that, this is the actual logic, winning combination of actual logic like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the actual logic which I'll return inside the array of inside our array. This is the actual winning logic of this game, and there is also uh, also combination and also there is a uh, condition how a user win and how this game over how this actual reset reset this game and there is also UI part of it. There is a simple UI like I use board mapping and I use map for transforming the element inside a key value pair, and there is the actual logic of this game, which was I written in my tutorial JSF, and also there is a CSS part of this website which was really very simple. And also there is a media query I use for tablet, a small kind of laptops, and for mobile screen, which is a part of a user friendly website. So this is how the actual Tic Tac Toe game, which I made using the React. And this is the actual game which works very really and efficiently. So it's from my side. Thank you.